everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be unbagging my November MorpheMe brushes. I was bordering on possibly skipping this month. I know I'm definitely probably going to skip next month with Boxy Lux having those Luxy brushes in there. I'm going to have way too many brushes on hand next month, so maybe I'll skip next month. It just depends what brushes they have. But it comes in a nice padded envelope like this. And I have my notes down here on the floor. It is a monthly subscription, and they are guaranteed authentic Morphe brushes. You will get 3 to 8 new Morphe brushes every month for $19.99. And you do have to pay tax. My total comes out to about $21.54. Shipping is free. You do have the option every month that if you don't like a brush, you can swap it out. You can swap out one brush, two brush, or the whole collection of brushes, or skip that month. You can cancel if you want to, which I'm on the fence for that as well. So let's get into this right now. As I said, it does come in a nice padded envelope. I'm going to pull everything out. I do see the cards right here. Card looks like this. I hope there's not a glare. I'm thankful for you, LiveGlam MorpheMe. They do have 10% off on all Morphe products if you use the code FALL18 at checkout at morphe.com. I'll put that up so y'all can see it. Make a screenshot, whatever you want to do. There you go. Can you see it? Alright. So let's open this bad boy up. It does give you a list of all the brushes that are included in the bag I have here. And it says inside, "Hey Glamour, get ready to feast your eyes on your new November brushes. We're always thankful for you, but this month we'll especially be gobbling over your beat faces using these." That doesn't sound right, does it? I think it's supposed to be your best faces using these. I think they put a wrong letter in there, an A instead of an S. Forget the turkey. Your makeup will be all anyone can talk about at the dinner table this Thanksgiving. If you want to create some mouth-watering looks, just dive right into these brushes. So, alright, let's get started. There are, how many brushes? 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes this month, the same as last month. I did film last month, but I wasn't too particularly fond of those brushes. I'm still having a hard time figuring out what I'm going to do with them. They just aren't, I don't know, I just can't get them to work, and my brushes are falling out. Alright, here we go. Here are the 4 brushes. I don't know why this one is in an open container. They're normally all sealed like this. They come in cellophane, so you do know they're, like I just said, sealed. So let's go straight down the pamphlet. The first brush is the pencil crease, which is this one. The M574 pencil crease brush and detail liner. That's this one. Let me get them out of the things. You can't see them with this cellophane on here. Yeah. Oh God, my neighbors. My neighbor must have just gotten home because he does his marijuana or whatever it is that he's over there smoking, and it totally filters into my apartment. Anyway, I digress. That's too much about me. Anyway, it really is starting to smell in my apartment right now, so I may have to stop filming and continue this at a later date and time. Because every time I breathe in, that's all I'm breathing in. Do any of you out there feel me? You've got your neighbors. I can't open this one. It's stuck in the bag. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Okay. Like I said, they're all in these individual little things. This one even has a plastic thing on the top of it. to protect the brush. And this one is the M250, the detailed, I'll put this down because I'll probably put it back on it to protect the brush. It is the detailed liner. So here those are those two brushes. The detailed liner is exactly that. You can use it to eyeline, maybe even as a lip liner. So it has two functions. I do have to say that the brushes they give you every month, you can do basically a full face with it. This definitely to me feels like a crease brush, or even I could use it, let's see, what does it feel like? Almost like a blending brush, maybe. Maybe I can combine these with last month's brushes and I can figure out how to use them. Let's see what it says. You're the apple pie of our eyes, so make yours pop using this pencil crease brush. Its rounded tip is perfect for smudging lines and defining your outer V. That's this over here, just like I said. To me, I can also use this as a blending brush. Then add a sickening wing or inner corner highlight. So like I said, you could use this for an eyeliner or the inner corners. Probably you could also use this as a lip liner because it's thin enough. If you look how thin that is. Can you see that? That's how thin it is. So you could use this to maybe line your lips with the detail liner brush. Let me set these down. Ooh, getting awfully hot. The next brush is the Unique Pointed Dome, which I gotta get that out of here too. This is gonna be a long video if I can't get these brushes out of the bag. Alright, this is, okay, this one is the M106, the Unique Pointed Dome brush. And it says here, based in bronzer using this pointed dome brush, this must-use brush can carve out some chiseled cheekbones, apply powder, and warm up that gorgeous face. I can see this as a blush brush or use this as a contouring brush. Maybe even a full face to do for setting powder, or you can use it to bake and wipe your stuff away under your eyes. It seems to me like I'm going to actually get some better use out of these brushes. And then the big girl right here is the large dual fiber dome buffer. It's the M457. This one is really big. And it's super, oh, it's so soft. I can't get it out of the bag. But this one's really soft. Let me see about this other one. I really like soft brushes. This was nice and soft too. I picked up a brush somewhere. I think it's an e.l.f. brush. And that one, when I used it on my face, it totally, like, I don't know. It felt like I was running my nails across my face. It's so scratched up my face. That's what I like about these Morphe brushes. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. And it's a very full brush. There we go. Brush. So, this large dome buffer brush will make those cheeks look scrumptious. Use it to apply brush or powder for a youthful airbrush finish. So, they're saying you could use this as a finishing powder. I might even use this for a foundation brush because, again, these are brushes. You can use them however you want. I would be probably using this one more for finishing. But I get where they want you to use this as a finishing because it's much bigger and you'll get more area with this big brush compared to this one. But I could see this one for chiseling out your contour or for your blush. Maybe, like I said. Anyway, this month it looks a little bit better with the brushes. I actually might be able to work these brushes. So here's the 4 brushes. Let me put my hand up so you can see them. There's the 4 of them. That's what they look like. Again, it is a monthly subscription. It costs $19.99. If you'd like to see me use my monthly subscription brushes, I did do a video last month using those brushes from last month, but I just didn't like how the video turned out. As I said, I was having a really hard time with those brushes. So if you want to see me use these brushes, or in the future use the brushes and do a look on camera, please let me know. And just let me know about the lighting, what y'all think. I did get a ring light, and I've got another light here trying to brighten up the area. So, hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.